Hi everyone, I'm Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to take you with me on a tour of Universal's new Stella Nova hotel. Stella Nova is a prime value hotel located steps away from Universal's brand new Epic Universe Park. It features 750 standard guest rooms and offers complimentary bus service to Epic Universe, along with Universal Studios Florida, Universal's Islands of Adventure, Universal's Volcano Bay Water Theme Park, and Universal City Walk. As we first walk into the main lobby, immediately off to our left is luggage services. Directly across from luggage services is the Universal Studios store, which sells a variety of merchandise themed around Epic Universe as well as the other Universal properties. Just past the Universal Studios store, we see the Vacation Planning Center where guests can pick up previously purchased tickets. Right in front of us is the Nova Bar, and off to our left we'll see the Cosmos Market and Cafe, as well as the main check-in desk. The door on our right leads out to the pool deck, which we'll take a closer look at later in the video.
Tell me the truth. I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh, baby, when I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you. Hey, I'm just keeping it straight, 'cause you got me feeling distracted. Let me show you the way. Girl, I don't take it for granted. Why can't we just give it a go? Infatuated more than you know. I want you near with the same point of view. I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me why. Honest, tell me why. I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh.
Just past the Vacation Planning Center, we'll see a secondary entrance to the Universal Studios store, and on around the corner on our right, we'll see the Avis car rental desk, and if we continue, we'll see the elevators which lead up to the guest room. Just past the elevators on our left is a hallway which leads to a game room as well as the fitness center.
With the same point of view, I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Want you to know the silence so loud, I'm running out of patience. I need your love, babe. I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh, be honest, tell me what. Honest, tell me
see the exterior entrances to the fitness center and game room from the pool deck. Now let's take a closer look at this beautiful pool.
Zynga, ping pong, and make 4 on the other side too.
Here we see the Galaxy pool bar, and just off to the left of the bar is the pickup window for the Galaxy grill. Now let's hop in the elevator and head upstairs to take a look at one of the guest rooms.
Cause I know that we're changing. Hold tight, 'cause I know we're changing. But I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me. About our love you go.
We'll be touring a standard view 2-queen room.
Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing. But I will be forever young.
As we first come into the room, off here to the right, you'll see this room has an adjoining room next door. That is something that can be requested if it's something you need or would like. We also have a full-length mirror here off to the left. Over here on our right is where you will find closet storage. This is pretty good size closet storage, as you can see. Hanging storage, as well as plenty of space to set your bags. That's also where the ironing board is located. And then if we come in here to the bathroom, you can see we have a nice well-lit mirror and a vanity space. We have shelving below that. And then in here is the water closet, which is obviously, separated out by a door. This is where you'll find the toilet. And then there is a shower tub combo in here. We have a nice little paneled wall here. There's a curtain behind that for added privacy. Off here to our right is where you'll find the coffee station and beverage cooler. We'll take a look at that. Here's a closer look at that Cuisinart brand coffee maker, which does come stocked. And then here is our beverage cooler. Over here, we have some nice drawer storage. My son was super impressed by this feature right here. We also have some nice seating space over here. Nice view of Epic Universe, which we'll show you in the daylight. And then here are our 2 queen beds. You can see that the artwork in here is inspired by space and the stars. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Universal's Stella Nova Hotel. If you'd like to see my full tour of the other Universal properties, I have a whole Universal Resort playlist. And if you would like personalized vacation planning services for your Universal vacation, reach out to me on my blog at gingermmt.com. It's no extra cost to book with me versus booking on Universal's website. Again, I'm Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thanks for watching.